Hello, this is Henry Margu's newest silhouette called Carmen. And Carmen is in a newer gradient color, which is 10613 GR. Let's start by showing you the inside of the wig. It is fully machine made with a beautiful lace front. Now, let's shake Carmen out and see what she can do. Very beautiful soft curls with a longer layer on top. So we can really tousle this and play with it and move it around in different ways. Or we can bring it down in a nice sleek look if your clients want something a little bit more tailored. We can brush it down and bring it in close for a nice sleek appearance. But the nice thing about Carmen is how versatile she is. We can even play with our part a little bit. This is Henry Margu's Carmen in a beautiful gradient 10613 GR.